coming from the last video, you see that I installed the Custom Dynamics LED low profile brake light on my dad's 2017 Ultra Classic. And we also installed the new Custom Dynamics Pro Beam fender tip light on this Ultra Classic. He loves it, it looks great. But I told you that we have a new install on my bike. Today I installed the new Custom Dynamics low profile bags. That is an LED bag light that goes on your saddlebags. Turn signals. They'll be run, brake, turn. Low profile, real slim and sleek. Looks fantastic on those new stretch bags that I just installed on my Street Glide. Be sure and hang around to the end of the video for more information about the road trip. We'll be taking a road trip from Tennessee to California. Hang around to the end of the video. I'll talk more about that. Let's get into the install. We have the Custom Dynamics LED bag lights, and we're going to get them installed on the bike. I just put these extended saddle bags or drop bags, whatever you want to call them, 5-inch extended, and I love the way they look. And I'm so glad that I waited, because now I have the Custom Dynamics LED bag lights. It's going to look really nice. Put some turn signals right here. These are low profile. A really nice sleek look that I'm looking for. So let's get them installed. Today I have my brother-in-law and my brother helping me put the bag lights on. All right, so let's get it installed. They gave us this primer here and a Q-tip. We're going to get it cleaned off, and then we're going to get the LED bag lights installed. Now we're going to get the saddlebags prepped with the cleaner right where the blades are going to go. So now that it's dry, let's get these stuck on. This one is for the right side, and you can tell because it's angled a little bit, and the wire runs into the inside, so you want to make sure. But now we're going to get this put on the bike. All right, so you want to kind of make sure it is even, and you don't want it, I don't want it touching the lid. So this is why. So now that this side is dry, we're going to get this one put on. You want to make sure that the saddlebag lid is down. You don't want to put this on with the saddlebag lid open to put it down and find out that you didn't allow yourself enough room. All right, you got that on. We'll push it down firmly. Get that adhesive to stick real nice. We're going to get the seat off, run the wires, and then plug it up and see what it looks like. So now we're going to take these zip tie holders and stick them onto the saddlebag to run this wire right against it. All right, so let's get these mounted, and then we'll get them zip tied onto here. So we're going to get the side cover off. Now that we got both of the wires ran on the saddlebags, we're going to get the side covers off and get the wire ran from the splitter that goes to the saddlebags. All right, so now we got the side cover put back on. We're gonna plug them up. Plug up the connectors. We got all the wires connected and ran, and we're gonna put the seat back on and see what it looks like. Okay, so we just got done installing the saddlebag lights on this Street Glide. And I think it looks great. I like the low profile look of it. It looks really nice on the back of the bike, especially with these extended bags. So let me show you what it looks like. All right, so you see, real nice, slim, low profile. It's a connector you can just disconnect right at the front. Makes it real easy when you're trying to remove your saddlebags. But again, these are the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam LED bag lights. They're run, brake, and turn, and I have them paired with the Magic Strobe. So now that I got the back of the bike lit up with the Custom Dynamics, the Pro Beam tri-bar light, the Custom Dynamics plugs, the turn signals, and the bag lights, all from Custom Dynamics, paired with the magic strobe. So the new low profile bags look great on the bike. It's a great addition to my motorcycle. I couldn't be more pleased with it. It looks fantastic. It really lights up the back of the bike. It looks great when it's off. It illuminates well. Of course, it's Pro Beam, so it's going to be really bright. And paired with that magic strobe, it gets your attention. It looks really great on the motorcycle. Thank you, Custom Dynamics. I appreciate you sending them to me. Let me know what you think about it. Put in the comments below. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I want to share this with you. We'll be leaving real soon on our road trip. And on our road trip, we're going to stop at several Harley-Davidson dealerships and tourist destinations along the way. So we're going to have a great time. I'm going to do my best to live stream some of the stops and live stream some of the rides. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification button to be alerted when a new video pops up. And if you have any more suggestions for the motorcycle, especially anything that's going to make it better for my long distance road trip, please let me know. There is some more installs coming on the motorcycle. I have some more parts coming. I haven't installed them yet, but when I get them installed, I'll make a video and upload it, and you'll see that soon. Stay tuned to the channel because the California road trip is coming real soon. I want to thank all my subscribers for watching. I want to thank all the ones who take the time to send letters to me and make comments below. I really appreciate it. I get encouraged by your comments. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification button, because if you don't hit the notification button, you won't be notified when I go live. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a blessed day.